back to my channel. So for today's video we are gonna be doing a summer haul, although I also have some pieces that are more like fallish, like this sweater that I'm currently wearing. And if you're questioning why the hell are you wearing a sweater if it's summer, well, I live in England and like it's been raining a lot after the really hot days that we had, so that is the reason why. And I feel like today's video can also be called I literally bought myself everything that I wanted for 24 hours because, well, it's kind of like a collectible, and I feel like I literally lived the Ariana Grande song. I saw it, I liked it, I bought it. So like I said, the first thing that I got is this sweater that I'm currently wearing. It's really cute, it's oversized, I'm honestly really obsessed with it. So this one is from H&M. I will make sure to leave in the screen all the prices, and I actually got it on the sale section, so it was really cheap. And maybe H&M still has it, I'm not really sure, but I really much suggest you guys to check them out because they have the cutest stuff right now for like really good price. Talking about hoodie, I actually got another one. As you can tell, I was really inspired by the color black, which I'm like, how, why? But I got this one as well. So this one says USA in white, and it's like a crop hoodie, which I really much love. And yeah, I mean, you can never go wrong with a hoodie. Also, back to school season is coming, so I feel like H&M is actually the perfect place to go back to school shopping. So, you know, just saying. Also, talking about H&M, I got this jumper type of thing, which is almost like the ballet jumpers, you know, dancers wears. It's quite hard to show you guys. So basically, it kind of ties up in a knot in the front or like in the back, and it twists. I don't really know how to describe it. I don't think I'm making it justice by holding it this way, so I'm pretty sure I have a video actually where I wear this, so I'm gonna make sure to leave that in the eye. You can go ahead and check it out, even if it's just to see like how this one looks on, because I swear to you guys, you're gonna love it. And also the price is bomb, so just go for it. Just buy yourself one as well, because like I said, you won't regret it. Talking about jumpers, I know we are in the summer, like fall is coming, back to school is coming, so I feel like it's appropriate. Also, I don't know why during the summer they still have jumpers and they're cheaper because like they're on sale, so might as well. I got this other one, and if you guys follow me and you watched my video, the one that I did in Stratford, where I also bought my AirPods, yes, I got a pair of headphones, check the video out. I basically tried this jumper on and I really liked it, so I got this one, which is from Pull & Bear. Once again, it was in the sale section, really affordable. And then I also got this other summery piece. This is like a crop top, it's half shoulder, it's white, it's lacy, it's really adorable. I can't wait to like style this with like jean shirt or like skirts. I honestly love it. And then also got from Pull & Bear as well this other piece right here, which I think is adorable. It's a bit wrinkly now because it stayed in the bag for way too long, but I honestly love it. I think it's adorable. I really love the cut of it, so yeah, I can't wait to style this one as well. And if you guys want some styling, kind of like inspo, be sure to follow me on my Instagram because I'm going in Romania real soon, and I'm definitely gonna take a lot of cute pictures with these two on, so go ahead and follow me on there if you want to. Of course, you're not forced to, but I think you should. I mean, why not, right? Then, is it really a no if I don't buy anything from Primark? I don't think so. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you guys is this t-shirt, which I lucky got from the male section, specifically the kids section of Primark. This is how it looks like. I think it's gorgeous. It looks like one of those t-shirts that you get from, I don't know, Bershka or Stradivarius for hella cheap. But this was just £1.80, like on the kids section. It's the size 9-10 and it fits me, so what the heck. I honestly love it. I'm also thinking about doing a video where I actually try to make an outfit out of Primark's kids section, so let me know if you guys will be interested in seeing that. I think that would be a really cool challenge. So yeah, this is the first thing that I got. Really excited for it. I really love it. Then next up is this bralette, which actually totally gonna wear this in public. I already done once and I think it looks adorable. They also did this in white, but it looks like more like a bralette, more like something that nobody should see. Whereas I think in this mauve color, it totally looks fine when you wear it out. Super lazy, super dainty. I honestly really love this. Also, I think I told you guys this in my last haul maybe, but I just got so sick of wearing bra, so stuff like this is literally perfect. Like, I'm really into it. Talking about bra actually, which kind of seems contradictory, I got two of them, which I would normally not show, but you know what the hell, who cares. So I got this one, which is really nice. It's really thin. It has no well, I don't even know how they're called, you know, the really itchy and annoying parts that they usually have right here. Well, this one is like totally manageable. It has nothing of that, and it's also really cute and lazy. I love to wear this with like low cut shirts, make this lazy part show up. I think it's adorable. And then I also got another one in black that's pretty much the same thing, just another color, because you know, a girl needs options. And then last thing that I got, well, not really last thing, but since we're talking about bra, which is already quite weird, I'm gonna make this even weirder by showing you guys also some panties that I got, which I'm probably gonna cut this part out because that's definitely not something that would normally pick up. They were in the sales section, they're adorable, so you know, why not? Why not? Also, I'm gonna get a suitcase from Primark since I'm leaving really soon for Romania. Like I said, I don't have that with me to show you guys. So for the time being, I'm just gonna show you my new backpack. Oh my god, I think this is adorable. So they got this in black and also got this in this sort of pinky color, which I was kind of into it, but I think the black one with the gold details fits a bit more my aesthetic, although I do love pink and I do am a pink girl, but you know, I got this one, I really love it. It's super cute, but at the same time it fits a lot of stuff. And then I think the last thing that I actually got from Primark is my bandana, because I don't think I addressed this, but yeah, that's from Primark as well. I feel like you guys probably realize that because I wore them in lots of videos, but I really love bandanas lately. Like, I do have an obsession with them, so yeah, that's the thing. It happens, you know. And then last thing I'm gonna show you guys, which is a bit more of a splurge, are these pair of Nike. Oh my goodness. So I got a pair of Nike Force 1, which I honestly love. So this is how they look like. I think the shoes is adorable. So I had this actually back in, I can't remember if it was middle school or high school, probably a bit of both, and I'm actually really excited to have like a pair of proper shoes. Looks really cool. Also lately I've been, as you can tell by my sweater as well, I've been really into this sort of style, a bit more sporty, a bit more like kind of like fit wear on the go. I've been wearing lots of leggings and like joggers with like a hoodie or oversized hoodie, cropped hoodie, all that jazz, which is definitely not something that I would wear, and it's definitely not something that I usually used to wear. So yeah, I got a pair of white sneakers, which I'm really happy with. So I really much think that this concludes my haul for today. Now, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below which one was your favorite piece. Of course, stay tuned for the beauty haul, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. There are lots of videos coming your way for this Vanilla Specials August, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!